All right. Good afternoon, Dad. Today coming from Kakata, you can see the yard. We clean the yard, and I'm still here today, Saturday, finding my way to town. So the bye-bye, I told you, you said I should send you a video. This is it. You can see the bye-bye. So you can see we said we wanted to put something here so that we can be putting our pot and other things. So this is how we did it here. So here you stand here, just put something on this side here. You can see. So you just put something up here, and then you turn around again on this side. You put another thing here. So this is how we did it. It is so beautiful. You can see it. So and then this the roofing. So you can see. So this is it. So on this side, you can see. So this is it. Here's it. So this is how we did it. You see it? So except for the bungie, the kitchen on top of the bungie a little bit, it is not, we have not put a cumin, and the guy went in the bush today to get it. So tomorrow he's going to do that work. Yeah. By then mom will be here, but I'll be to town tomorrow. I have to go run after the guy's wedding issues. So they are just calling me, so I have to go there. So you can see inside here, you can see the bungie. So only this is what really left. So the guy told me that he went to call a Tash to come and put things in place here. So you can see. So this is it. So the wood you see packing there, these are all trash that we just collected from the compound. We're going to jump everything away. It was the ladder that we had, and then we break everything down. So it is no longer useful to us. So we're going to throw it away. So just try to show that. So you can see the compound now it's clear. This is the bye-bye, and then security booth. From there you can see the gym up there. So this is it. So this is how we did it. You can see also here you did ask that we should add portion of this stick here, that when you're coming up or coming down it won't give you hard time. So you can see between here we did it. Here you can see also here we did it, and then you can see the step. So it's well protected and secure. So this is how we did it. All right. Okay. So you can see I'm still here finding my way to town now. Thank you.